Hey guys, welcome to DevDom. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates, and all the links will be in the description. So, if you want to apply any particular jobs, I'll provide the link in the description. From there, you can apply for that job. So, first hiring is conducted by the M3, and they're hiring as M3 graduate recruitment for 2026. And here you can see the job description. Coming up to the qualifications and skills are required: degree in computer science and technology or related STEM subjects. You should have aggregate 60% or higher throughout your academic career. You should have strong programming skills in Java, Python, C, C++, or others. Competitive coding experience will be the plus point. You should have troubleshooting and debugging skills, solid software engineering principles such as data structures, OOPS, design patterns, multi-threading, understanding of the formal software development life cycle, that is SDLC. You should have the understanding of test driven development as well. So these are the skills and qualifications are required. So if you have this kind of skills, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the AMD, and they are hiring as software development engineer. Location in which they are hiring is Bangalore, and here you can see the job description. Coming up to the experience and skills are required. So, a bachelor's degree or a master's degree in computer science, software engineering, or computer science or related field can be apply for this job. You should have the knowledge of C, C++, and Python, experience in video code CS, image processing, and machine learning frameworks, familiarity with computer vision libraries like OpenCV, FM's PG, OpenVX. Should have the experience with GPU programming, have the experience with open source development and Git and feature tracking software called as Jira. You should have the in-depth knowledge of best practices in software development, including testing, profiling, debugging, documentation, version control, issue tracking, and planning. You should be quick learner. This kind of skill set and qualifications are required. So next hiring is conducted by the Tech Mahindra, and they're hiring as L1 support service desk. The location in which they're hiring is Pune, and it will be work from home opportunity is there, and fresh graduates can be apply for the job, and only Maharashtra region candidates can be apply for the job. So here you can see the job responsibilities. So first level technical support to end users, handle IT desk queries via calls, emails, and tickets, troubleshoot basic hardware and software issues, escalate unresolved issues to next level support, maintain ticket updates and documentation. The interested candidates can be sent the resume in DMs. So next hiring is conducted by the GE Healthcare, and they're hiring as graduate engineer trainee, and the location in which they're hiring is Bangalore, and here you can see the job description. BE BTech graduate in mechanical engineering can be apply for the job, and here you can see the primary roles and responsibilities. Work experience is required, like fresh graduates up to 1 years of relevant experience can be applied for the job. It is kind of non-tech role is there, resolving the quality issues of the line, then ensuring all equipments calibration activities are done as per the schedule, review and maintain calibration reports and all. You can read in the detail, right? So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.